Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Choosing the best operating system, OS, for programming can vary greatly depending on your specific needs, preferences, and the type of development you're engaged in. Below, we'll explore the strengths and weaknesses of Mac OS, Windows, and Linux for programming, and provide code examples to illustrate the differences. 1. Mac OS. Strengths. Unix-based, Mac OS is built on a Unix foundation, which makes it similar to Linux. This is beneficial for web development and server-side programming. Development tools. Excellent support for development tools like Xcode, which is required for iOS/Mac OS development. Package management. Homebrew is a powerful package manager that simplifies the installation of software. Weaknesses. Cost. Apple hardware is generally more expensive compared to other options. Limited game development options, not as robust for gaming development compared to Windows. Code example. Here's how to create a simple HTTP server using Python on Mac OS. 2. Windows. Strengths. Wide software availability. Many commercial software applications, especially for enterprise development, are available primarily on Windows. IDE support. Great support for IDEs like Visual Studio, which is popular for .NET development. Gaming development. Best choice for game development due to compatibility with DirectX and a wide range of game development tools. Weaknesses. Unix-like features. While Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL, provides a Linux environment, it's not as seamless as using a native Linux environment. Less native tooling. Some tools and scripts may require additional setup to work compared to Mac OS or Linux. Code example. Creating a simple HTTP server using Python on Windows. 3. Linux. Strengths. Open source, generally free and highly customizable. Server development, ideal for server-side development and deployment due to its stability and performance. Package management. Advanced package managers like apt, Debian/Ubuntu, and Yum, Red Hat/CentOS, make installation and updates straightforward. Weaknesses. Learning curve. New users may find Linux less intuitive compared to Mac OS or Windows. Software compatibility. Certain proprietary software may not be available or may require alternatives. Code example. Creating a simple HTTP server using Python on Linux. Conclusion. Selecting the best OS for programming largely depends on the type of development you are engaged in. Mac OS, best for iOS/Mac OS development, web development, and users who prefer a Unix-like environment with a polished user interface. Windows, ideal for .NET developers, game developers, and those who rely on specific Windows-only software. Linux, perfect for server-side programming, system-level programming, and users who appreciate open-source environments. Final thoughts. Ultimately, the best choice may be to use a combination. Many developers use multiple operating systems according to their project requirements. Tools like Docker can also help create a consistent development environment across different OS platforms. Choosing the right environment is a personal decision that should consider the specific requirements of your projects and your comfort level with each system.